Good evening, and thank you so much for joining us on this Thursday night. And as we come on the air tonight, public protests are spreading across the nation following the leaked draft decision from the Supreme Court that would end federal protection of abortion rights. While the demonstrations have been mostly peaceful so far, there is growing concern about potential violence leading up to the official ruling. Fences have gone up around the Supreme Court as crowds are expected to grow in the days and weeks ahead. And CBS News has learned that the justices themselves have been given extra security while several justices have canceled upcoming public appearances. CBS News sat down with former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton, who called the opinion incredibly dangerous and warned that more could be at risk than just abortion rights. We'll have more of our interview with Secretary Clinton in just a moment. But first, CBS's Ed O'Keefe will start us off from the White House. Good evening, Ed.
Good evening, Nora. That draft majority opinion on the future of abortion rights continues to reverberate nationwide. And now there are growing concerns about the potential for political violence against the Supreme Court justices themselves.
The Supreme Court under lockdown. 8-foot-high fencing now surrounds the building. All entry points are blocked to vehicles. And more officers on patrol. A scene reminiscent of what Washington looked like after the January 6th attacks. The 9 justices are also under heavier security. CBS News has learned general threats of violence against them are up. Their home locations have been shared online, and they're receiving more targeted personal phone threats. Justice Samuel Alito, author of the leaked majority draft opinion, canceled a scheduled appearance today in Nashville. The other justices are also cutting back on public events.
The risk is real. The U.S. Marshal Service is there to provide protection for judges in the federal judiciary, but it's not enough.
Chief Justice John Roberts addressed the leak today, calling it absolutely appalling and called the leaker foolish. But the fallout has only intensified. In Illinois, surrounded by 5 states set to restrict abortion services, clinics are trying to prepare for a flood of new patients.
If every state that touches Illinois suddenly has no access, we project even up to a 5 times increase in patient demand, especially at our health centers that border other states.
Many of those out-of-state patients would be seen virtually and sent abortion pills, but those are also in jeopardy. At least 17 states have now introduced legislation to ban or restrict access to the pills. Michigan's Democratic Attorney General Dana Nessel worries it could happen in her state.
Whether it's by medication, whether it's surgical, it doesn't matter. Abortion will be illegal in our state, period.
Meanwhile, here at the White House, plans for a new press secretary. Karine Jean-Pierre is set to become the first black person, first openly gay person to serve in the role. She's set to succeed Jen Psaki, who's stepping down next Friday. Nora?
Ed O'Keefe, thank you.